Dear Jack Ayres, how lovely to write to you. I feel really grateful for this well-being project, and it came at a really convenient time, as my fella Tom has just gone home to Guernsey. Guernsey! For 3 weeks! So I'm home alone in Toxters, Liverpool until he returns. I feel like I tried to draft this letter so I knew what to say and didn't make mistakes, but I sacked that idea off and thought I'd just write what came to mind. I also tried to practice with the quill and ink, but I wasn't much good at that either. So I hope my Bic Biro does an okay job. Things I've been thankful for in lockdown. I think firstly was that the place I work for was totally sound with me working and lecturing from home. The uni felt like a total minefield. Minefield at the end of normal life, so I was sort of grateful to be leaving it. Please turn over. Oh my god, don't please turn over. I didn't realise this was double in size. I've been grateful for my fella, and in a way, myself, for continuing to be patient and loving and caring towards each other, and not arguing or getting tired of each other. I'm happy and grateful that I stayed active and have stuck to a sort of mad regime and made it habitual. The biggest thing I'm grateful for, I think, aside from fortunately staying COVID-free, is my new hobby of gardening. I had a significant reputation for killing plants. My mum used to joke that I'd kill them even if they were plastic, but I now have a house full and a small yard full of plants, blooming with colour and happily staying alive. And I just received my own well-being letter in the post. So I think the last thing I'd say I was grateful for is this project. Signing up for it, being able to write to you, taking part in something that feels like a very community-based creative and theatre project. I always think you never know where these things can lead, whether it's a pen pal, another project, the impact a letter can have. Finally, I think I would want to tell you that I'm thankful for you reading this. I hope you know that you are valued. I hope you know that you're appreciated and loved, and that you make a difference to everyone you meet or write to. My handprints above is what I use to support this writing. And don't worry, I'm very clean and disinfected. I didn't really want to write on this side just in case you wanted to hang it up. Not that you'd have any obligation to. But thank you for reading, for being creative, for having ideas, for being open, for signing up. It's been a pleasure to, sort of, meet you. Here are my details if you ever wanted to get in touch. And here's my address if you want to keep writing. Lots of love, gratitude and thanks. Jenny. P.S. I tried. Sorry for the ink splodges.